Come man, or if I start the cartoon, man, Ted for up your name.
Check in my beautiful people. Well, I see this morning and heavy cooking we go on, but you know say a healthy cooking we deal with and we are the cooking already.
Yes, man, I know you weren't expecting this, but guess what? Something real special is dropping soon.
Not because I mean look like you guys.
You don't want to miss it. Stay ready. So you don't have to get ready. Turn on all post notification bell.
Yeah man, all of who goes out, man.
So easily, you'll be one of the first one to witness this. Subscribe if you haven't. The Smith family. Only on Kelly Tunes. Don't miss it. Before you go, let's share some love. Supporting small creators can make a big difference. And today, I want to shine a light on a few amazing YouTube channels that deserve way more eyes on them. Chrisanne's Bible Story. If you love faith-based content and storytelling with a creative twist, this channel brings AI-generated Bible stories to life in a fun and unique way. It's currently at 213 subscribers, but we're speaking it into being. Let's push it to 300 and beyond. CJ's Corner, a sweet and colorful world for kids. This channel is packed with fun learning activities, coloring time, and kid-friendly joy. It's sitting at 14 subs, and with your help, we can bust it to a nice clean 100 real quick. Pom Pom Parade. If you're into cute and creative crafts, this is the place. From adorable art to simple DIYs, she's at 24 subs, and I feel like we can help her craft her way to 100 plus. Let's show her what community looks like. And bestie, don't forget to stay connected with me personally on The Kelly Effect. That's where you'll find the real me behind the scenes, my daily life, seeing me try new things, more skits, vibes, and all the little things I don't always share on my AI-generated channel. It's raw, fun, and full of heart. Find out who is really Kelly Tunes. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and leave a comment on these amazing channels. Let them know you came with love.